Hey guys, what's up? Today, I'm going to show you how to get TikTok++ for free. This will work on both iOS and Android devices. First of all, if you're on iOS, then go into Settings, then General, and make sure Background App Refresh is turned on. Don't worry about this if you're on Android, because there's no option like this. Next, open Safari on iOS or Chrome. If you're on Android, and type in lastgen.app/TikTok++, and then press go. You'll now be taken to a page like this. All you have to do here is tap the download button and then press Start Installation. Now you'll see a screen like this. In order to get TikTok++ for free, you have to bypass code signing by downloading 2 free apps from this list and following the instructions fully for both of them. I'll start with Clean Fox. While it's downloading, I'll start the download for a second app, which in this case will be Coin Master. So while we wait on Coin Master to finish downloading, I'll open Clean Fox for around 30 seconds. It may not be the same instructions for your app, so make sure you read what they say before you open it. Now that it's been running for about 30 seconds, I'll close it and follow the instructions for Coin Master. We're almost finished. And that's everything. Once you followed these instructions, you'll see TikTok++ on your home screen. I already had it before, so it's still there, of course. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Peace out.